Welcome back, guys. Here I have two lovely snapper fish. They're very huge. So we're going to be frying some fish today. Okay, I already washed them in lime and vinegar. So I'm going to cut the fish and then we're going to get straight into the frying process. Okay, so I went ahead and I removed the head of the fish because I'm not going to be frying the head. I'm going to save this to make some fish tea. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove the bone from the fish. Okay. Bone from the fish. Okay, so after removing the bone, I'm gonna make several slices on the fish. First, I'm gonna slice it down like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna slice it like this. Okay, so this is what it looks like after slicing it. So here are the seasonings that I'm going to be using to season my fish, and you can use season of your choice. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now and season the fish. Make sure you get the season in between the slices on the fish. Flip it over and season on the other side. Okay guys, so here I have some seasoned flour, and you can add whatever seasoning you like in your flour. Okay, and this is my egg wash. Okay, so now that I got everything set up, first thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to dip the fish in the flour, from the flour to the egg, and then back in the flour. Goes in the egg and then back in the flour. Okay guys, so I finished floured the fish, so I'm gonna head over to the stove. Come along with me. So here I'm pouring oil in my pot to fry the fish, and I will be using annatto oil. So to my oil I will be adding some pimento spice. Okay guys, so the oil is ready, so I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to put the fish in the oil. And I'm going to drop some spiced pepper in my oil as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the fish over on the other side. Beautiful guys. So here I have one bami guys, and I use my cookie cutter to get these nice little cute shapes out of the bami. Alright, that's a star. I have a little heart there. Yes, so I'm going to fry these bami so I can enjoy it with my fish. Here you have it guys, nicely fried snapper with some bami. Please like the video, share the video out, and if it's your first time, subscribe to the channel. Touch my post notification bell so you won't miss out on my next upload. To all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing. I welcome you with a warm welcome. Thank you all for your support. Be good. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Take care of yourselves. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Bye guys.